Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see MK-116 Resistor color code identifier. This is a simple but interesting gadget which will help you to calculate the resistance value by the color code printed on the resistor body. Now let us see how it works. First we will connect 9 volt DC supply to the circuit. Display is on. Now we will push black 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8, white 9. Now let us see the circuit diagram. The unit have 10 push buttons named against 10 colors used in the resistor color code chart. When you press the particular push button, you will get corresponding numerical value on single digit display. In the circuit, these 10 push buttons are OR gated by diode D1 to D15 1N4148. This will give BCD output. The 4 outputs of the BCD are normally at low logic and goes to high when particular push button is pressed. This output is given to the counter. The counter consists of synchronous BCD upward and downward counter with asynchronous preset IC2 CD 4510 BCD to 7 segment decoder with a latch and display driver IC1 CD 4543 and common anode display LT542. Pin 15 of IC2 CD 4510 is clock input connected to ground here. Pin 10 is signal for up and down counting is also connected to ground. Reset pin 1 is connected to supply so that in this condition the output Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 pins 6, 11, 14, 2 will show presetting value at that terminal P1, P2, P3, P4, that is pin 4, 12, 13 and 3. These presetting terminals are normally kept at low through resistors R8, R9, R10, R11 and connected to BCD output of the push buttons. Pin 5 C1 carry in if grounded and pin 7 CO carry out if kept open. IC1 is CD 4543 BCD to 7 segment decoder with latch and display driver. Pin 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 14 are 7 segment output for the direct driving of common anode display LT542 A, B, C, D, E, F, G. BCD information from pin 6, 11, 14, 2 from IC2 is connected to pin 5, 3, 2, 4 as an A, B, C, D inputs. Pin 1 LD is normally at high logic When goes to low, information at BFD input is stored in the IC and subsequently fed to the display. Pin 7 BI is normally low. Pin 6 PH is connected to logic 1 for common anode display. The 10 push buttons are fed 10 colors in color code chart. When you press particular color, it will be converted into the BFD code by D1 to D15 diodes arranged in OR gates. This output is further fed to counter, which converts BFD to 7 segment to indicate the corresponding number to that particular color. Now let us see the resistor color codes. Black 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8, white 9, gold 5%, silver 10%. Now let us see the part list. Now let us see the parts. PCB MK-116-01 component side. MK-116-1 track side. PCB MK-116-02 component side. PCB MK-116-02 track side. IC1 CD4543 BCD to 7 segment decoder, quantity 1 number with socket. IC2 CD4510 counter, quantity 1 number with socket. Display 1 LT542 common anode display, quantity 1 number. FW1 to FW10 NO tactile switch, quantity 10 number. D1 to D15 1N4148 diode, quantity 15 number. R1 to R7 390 ohms 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 7 numbers. R8 to R11 10K 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 4 number. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.